Hi, I'm Megan Garrettson. I'm here on Wood Prairie Family Farm. Today we're going to show you how to plant onions to grow for your garden. Alex is going to help me. Would you like to help me, Alex? First we'll take a plastic flat, or whatever kind of flat you have. Fill it with dirt. Now, Alex, can you fill your flat with dirt too? Oh, this is some beautiful Fort V compost that we sell in the catalog. It grows great transplants. It's good to plant onions about 10 weeks before you can plant them in the garden. So we'll need that flat. I'm going to plant 5 rows of onions in this 10-inch by 10-inch flat. I'm going to go with my favorite onion, the Rosa di Milano. Yep, I'm going to make 5 little rows. So if you could put dirt in your flat there, Alex. Oh, okay. Some more out of the bag there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. It's okay. Wipe that off. Yes, it's good stuff, that dirt. There you go. So in a packet of onion seeds, good job, you have about 250 seeds. And hi, Alex. So we have 250 seeds here. So what I'd like to do is plant about 50 seeds per row. There we go. That's a little more than 50. And in we go. They're hard to see. Don't eat too much of that, okay? We get about 50 seeds along there. Smooth that all smoothed out, okay? Good job. Get this all seeded. It's good to plant them to an even depth, but they will grow no matter how you plant them, they'll grow. So I planted those about a pencil width deep. I'm gonna cover them up. Smooth that all out there, Alex. That's right, there. We'll keep it right in here, okay? Okay. Now we can water it. Want me to get you some water?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's full.
That's a lot of water. Okay, so we've got some water. See? Would you like to water it now?
Yeah.
All right. Do you know how? Here we go. Ooh. Oh, we just want to keep it patted down nicely. Ooh. Here, I'll put some on your side.
Dad.
Here we go. Some more for you. Now we'll label them. Would you like to label them?
Yeah.
Okay, you label yours. Okay.
Labels.
Labels. It's important to know what you planted. All right, so we planted our onions. We'll keep them moistened and put them in a sunny windowsill. And they'll grow. And we can plant them when it gets just a little bit warm outside, but you can plant them a little before your last frost.
Hi, Mama.
One moment.
Up
Right.
here and stuff.
Yeah. I love the cows. I'm excited about that because that's one of my. You're doing really good, Alex. Oh, all my labels. It's important to keep your plants well watered, just moistly watered so they can keep growing. So when these grow, they'll come up like little bitty blades of grass. Give them 8 or 10 weeks. They'll be beautiful onions like that, and that is all the size you need. I know those look tiny, but put those out in nice spring soil and they will just take right off. So the question is, how do you plant these? Onions are so rugged. You can pull these right apart, and each one of those little onions can be planted separately. They can be pulled right apart, put right down in the soil, buried up, 1/4 inch, and then watered in well. And they'll grow into an absolute full-size onion. Oh, you need more water? And those will grow into beautiful big onions. Would you like some more water?
Yeah.
Okay. Step 1, get some beautiful Fort V compost. Fill it in a flat. Step 2 is to make little rows in your compost. Step 3 is plant the seeds in the compost. Cover them up, water them well, put them in a south-facing window or under a grow light until they grow into nice, sturdy little onion plants. So after they've grown, you can take them out to your garden, make a row, plant them 3 or 4 inches apart. Each one gets its own little place in the row, and those tiny little fellows will grow into full-size onions. Commonly asked questions about growing onions: are they hard to grow? Nope, all you need is a little space on your windowsill. And remember to start your plants early, about 2 months before you're gonna be able to get into your garden. When you've grown them up, you take them out to your garden, just pull them apart gently, plant the roots all the way down into the ground, and the dirt should come up and, cover that bulb just a little bit. Then you keep them well weeded, and in a couple of months, 2 or 3 months, you'll have full-size onions. Onions take about 90 days, 90 or 100 days for onions. Of course, even before then, they've made some nice size green onions that you can eat. So the other alternative is we're going to have this year, for the first time, some fully grown onion transplants that you can buy on the website. We have the Rosa di Milano and the Amber for sale on the website, and they'll just come to you and you can plant them right in your garden. If you have any other questions, put them in the comments below and we'll get right back to you. Thanks for helping today. Try to keep the dirt out of your shirt while you're planting. This was fun. I'm so glad you came and helped me. So Alex, do you think we covered it all? Keep them well watered, and like and subscribe. You can buy your onion plants or your onion seeds at www.woodprairie.com, and we'll get them delivered to you towards the 1st of May, the last week of April or the 1st of May. So thanks for coming by Wood Prairie Family Farm, and I hope you enjoy your gardening year.